In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update contacts on MailChimp step by step so you can keep your audience list clean, accurate, and ready for better email marketing. Whether you need to fix a name, update an address, change a phone number, or correct a company field, this guide will walk you through the process in a simple and beginner-friendly way. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more practical software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your web browser and go to MailChimp. Once the page loads, sign into your MailChimp account using your email address and password. If you manage more than one account or workspace, make sure you're signed into the correct one so you update the right audience data. After logging in, you'll land inside the MailChimp dashboard. Now look at the menu on the left-hand side and click Audience. This is the section where MailChimp stores all of your subscribers and contacts. If you're trying to keep your audience organized, this is the place you'll use to view, search, and edit contact details. Once you're in the audience area, you should see your contact list displayed on the screen. From here, you can either browse through the list manually or use the search bar to quickly find the exact contact you want to update. You can search by the person's name or email address, whichever is easier. This is especially useful if you have a large audience and don't want to scroll through hundreds or thousands of contacts. When you find the correct contact, click their name or email address to open their profile page. On the Contact Profile page, look for the Contact Information section. This area contains the details MailChimp has saved for that subscriber. To make changes, click Edit. A pop-up window will appear and show you all the editable fields for that contact. This is where you can make precise updates without changing anything else in your list. Now it's time to update the contact details. You can change the first name, last name, street address, address line 2, city, state, province, region, postal or zip code, country, phone number, birthday and company information. Only update the fields that actually need to be changed. If only one detail is wrong, you do not need to touch the rest. Keeping the information clean and accurate helps MailChimp organize your audience properly and makes your future email campaigns more personalized. As you edit, take your time and make sure the information matches your source data. Small mistakes in email marketing lists can lead to bad personalization, failed mail merges, or confusing contact records later on. So, before you save anything, review all of your changes carefully. Double-check spelling, number formats, address details, and anything else that could affect the contact profile. Once everything looks correct, scroll to the bottom of the pop-up window and click Save Changes. MailChimp will then update the contact information immediately. After saving, you can go back to the profile if you want to confirm that the new details were applied correctly. And that's it. You've successfully updated a contact on MailChimp. This is a simple process, but it can make a big difference when it comes to keeping your audience list accurate and your campaigns running smoothly. If you're managing subscribers regularly, getting comfortable with editing contact details is one of those small skills that saves a lot of time later. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.